Hi everyone, my name is Chuang and today I will present my thesis titled The Impact of ESG Performance to Supply Chain Effectiveness in Indonesian Consumer Goods Companies. This research explores how sustainability performance can be transformed into practical insights for improving supply chain efficiency through AI-assisted decision-making. Okay, let me begin with a simple question. What happens when a company's supply chain is disrupted? Research shows that companies can lose up to 40% of their annual EBITDA from a single supply chain disruption. Yet today, ESG data is still mostly used for sustainability reporting and regulatory compliance. This led me to ask, can ESG also be used to analyze operational risks before they affect business performance? There are three major challenges making supply chain resilience increasingly important. First, climate change continues to disrupt sourcing and logistics. Second, geopolitical conflicts create uncertainty in global supplier networks. Third, the COVID-19 pandemic demonstrated how a disruption in one location can quickly impact supply chains around the world. These events have shifted companies' priorities from simply improving efficiency to building resilience and managing risks more effectively. Indonesia already has abundant ESG reports, financial statements, and supply chain data. However, several important gaps still exist. Previous studies rarely quantify the relationship between ESG performance and supply chain efficiency in Indonesian companies. There is also no framework that classifies operational risks based on ESG performance, and companies still lack AI-generated insight that support managerial decision-making. This research aims to bridge those gaps by integrating ESG analysis, supply chain analytics, clustering techniques, and AI into one decision support framework. This study uses data from 12 publicly listed Indonesian consumer goods companies over a period of 10 years, from 2015 to 2024. I analyzed the three ESG dimensions and examined their relationship with supply chain efficiency using metrics such as cash conversion cycle, days inventory outstanding, and inventory turnover. The study addresses three research questions. First, how strongly ESG predicts supply chain efficiency? Second, which ESG dimension has the greatest influence? And third, how these relationships differ among companies with different risk profiles. To answer these questions, I developed an automated analytical pipeline. The process begins with collecting ESG and financial data from the LSEG Refinitiv database. The data is then cleaned, standardized, and transformed into supply chain indicators. Next, K-means clustering classifies companies into high, medium, and low supply chain risk groups. After that, an AI workflow built using N8N automatically performs correlation analysis, interprets the findings, generates recommendations, and produces executive reports together with a streamlined dashboard. The major finding is that environmental ESG has the strongest relationship with supply chain efficiency. Compared to social and governance dimensions, environmental performance shows the greatest association with improvements in cash conversion cycle, inventory management, and inventory turnover. Governance has a moderate influence by strengthening operational control and risk management, while social performance has the weakest direct relationship with operational efficiency. This indicates that environmental initiatives not only support sustainability but also improve operational performance. Using K-means clustering, I found that 92% of the companies fall into medium or high supply chain risk categories. Only one company was classified as low risk. This suggests that most Indonesian consumer goods companies still have significant opportunities to improve supply chain resilience. Beyond statistical analysis, this study demonstrates how artificial intelligence can support managerial decision-making. The AI system automatically converts ESG and operational data into company-specific insights, risk assessments, executive reports, and 22 prioritized recommendations through an interactive dashboard. Instead of spending hours interpreting complex data manually, managers can quickly obtain consistent, explainable, and actionable recommendations. Based on these findings, I proposed three strategic priorities. First, strengthen environmental initiatives because they provide the greatest operational impact. Second, improve governance practices to enhance transparency and supply chain resilience. Third, integrate AI-powered ESG analytics into managerial decision-making so companies can proactively identify risks instead of reacting after disruptions occur. In conclusion, ESG can become a strategic tool for analyzing supply chain risk, improving operational efficiency, and supporting AI-driven business decisions. That is all from me. Thank you.